It's been a really long time, but back at Volcano Bay. Last time I was here with you guys, Aventura was still very much so under construction. But I just found out that the team member blockout dates have been lifted early. I just found that out today. It's only been a few days, so let's go in. Oh yes, and there is the gate from Aventura. They say that you have to be staying there to come through there, but I don't think there's anyone checking, honestly. Alright, so the first thing we see here to the left is there's a new merchandise area, which is the first thing you come to or the last thing you come to. Now, if you come to Volcano Bay and you don't like it, this towel says no bay. That's for people who don't like it, no bay. What are the wait times? Well, guess I'm gonna have to, oh, there it is. Kokiri is a ride now. All right, it's a good day. Did they say Kokiri or Kokiri? Kokiri. It's Kokiri. But all ride now, which is pretty awesome. Because 11:30 a.m. in the summer, it would be probably a capacity, at least the first year. I don't know, I've been here in months. Oh no, there's a wait time. Because of blockout dates, as I mentioned. So I sort of showed you this before. It's closed, great. But this was a recent addition that came right after the previous time I was allowed to come in here and shoot. And again, here is what they would serve if they were open. I'm gonna go ahead and guess right now that the POG stations are closed again. Good thing I don't like those. Okay, well here's something brand new and unexpected. Pearl Factory is in both parks, I believe. I know it's definitely in Universal and it's also in Disney parks, but it was never in Volcano Bay before, so I'm not sure when this is added, but here it is. And if you can't tell, it's right by, oh yeah, oh no. POG check number 1, nope. If you're wondering, no significant development back here. Going down Krakatoa, going to record the GPS data. This sign is new to me, I've never saw that before. I do have video on Krakatoa, but I don't believe they'll let me, Krakatoa up the coaster, but I don't believe they'll let me shoot anymore. They've changed the rules so that nobody is allowed to do that anymore, unfortunately. We might try it later anyway, but. And once again, this part of the Reef Leisure Pool is you can't swim in there right now, which was the point of putting in these sprayers so you can spray people, but it's always closed. There is one POG station that's actually open. All right. Kind of hungry. Wonder what I should do. Oh, I know. Food item of the video. First, stop over here. Is all this sunlight making you thirsty? Make it worse by having some salted chips. That's smart. Over in this nice seating area, I just spotted this. This is Kainui chicken, I believe. Kingami Inu. I don't know. But this is new to me. I've never saw this before, and of course it's closed. Alright, decided to go all the way over here because I ran into another screamy kid. Time for an old favorite. See, pulled pork barbecue. Modified, of course. Fries, always awesome. And looks like their shake machine's running a little thin today. Maybe too many people are asking for it and then didn't have time to freeze. I've always gotten the vanilla. Chocolate, it's basically like a Frosty. And because that makes me thirsty, a little bit of water. I don't have to eat it already to tell you that it's awesome. Alright, so, finished eating. Woohoo! Quick trip to the Waturi Beach. And conditions are still chilly. I guess this will never be a warm wave pool. Even though it says so in the description. Unless they changed it, I doubt they did. It's been colder though. But whew, it's pretty brutal. That helicopter you probably can't see because of the wide angle has been flying around in a circle. Looks like a media chopper for maybe the news, but there's no news channel on it. I don't know. So, about 20% battery life left. Okay, here's a tricky part. Right where it's the most sensitive. Don't know why that is. Right around your gut area. That's the hardest part. Above the waist. I guess it's not too bad. Could be warmer though. Now we've been on this before, but this is the first time with GPS. Not, oh my gosh, I'm not going anywhere. Not that it's going to record some G-force, but you know, it'll be interesting. I hope. Here we go. Jeez. So there's some lights that are out up there. Sorry. Tried to avoid it, but I got pushed into the heaviest part of the waterfall. And as usual, no one else speaks English here. Oh no, don't blast music. Oh jeez. Probably full of water, isn't it? Sorry about this. Yeah, that's the long way of doing it. Oops, sorry about the shaky. Oh boy, I have to put music over this. Shut up. Oops. Abandoned ship. All right, here we go. This is the first time I have ever entered the Fearless River from here. It used to be an exit only. I just got water shoved up my nose 3 times in a row. This ride sucks without tubes. And I got water in my mouth, which, you know, it's more than just water. Oh, the weights are kind of big over here. See, if I sit upright, then my feet touch the bottom. If I lean back, then I get water in my face. There's just no good way. Exit approaching. That's our out. Exit. If I can get to it. What? I just keep And as you can see, that's one loop here. One loop. And back in the bend. That's going to do it for this long-awaited return to Volcano Bay. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.
Scuba, scuba, dooba, ba dooba, hooba, booba.
Wow, I thought I'd get out of here without seeing a construction wall, but apparently not.